How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To delete an Instagram account permanently, first step is to launch an Instagram application in your device. If you are not logged in, make sure to log in into your Instagram account. Now to begin, at the bottom right corner, you will see a user icon. Click on it. From here, at the very top, navigate and click on the three horizontal line. From here, tap on the Account Center. Under Account Settings, go ahead and click on the option of Personal Details. At the bottom, you will see Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion. In that case, you can choose an account that you wish to delete permanently. Select the option of Delete Account and tap on Continue. You will have to provide a reason why you wish to delete it permanently. Just tap in within the option and click on Continue. Now for the confirmation, go ahead and enter your password. Then tap on Continue. After that, your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. However, if you change your mind, you'll be able to recover it easily within 30 days by just entering your Instagram credential. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.